Hello everyone, I am Shine and you are watching Civil Engineering Tips channel. In this video we are going to discuss about tie beam. The beam used to tie the footing of a structure is called tie beam. If the depth of the footing is more than 2 meters from ground level, then we provide tie beam. Purpose of tie beam. Different amount of loads come through different columns. Due to this, there may differential settlement and crack may happen in beams and walls. To resist this differential settlement, we need to distribute the upcoming superstructure load easily through column. For this purpose, we need to provide tie beam. Sometimes we provide tie beams in lintel level for different purposes.